Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about the divorce allegations of Khumalo and Umusa Mseleku. Guys, there were a lot of allegations saying Khumalo and Umusa Mseleku sebahlukene. Khumalo has filed for divorce, guys, and Khumalo has moved out eMzumbe sakahlala kakhe. I did see mina pictures of Khumalo posting kwemunye umuzi, and I saw the pictures on ibirthday kaMakhumalo, and into engimangazile ukuthi uMpilo Enhle posted those pictures on the same house. So enye into beyithi, if these allegations they are true, that means Khumalo has moved out noMpilo, or because Khumalo noMpilo they have built a very positive relationship. Bayathanda, they love each other. It's like umama nomntana. Ungafunga ukuthi Khumalo uyamzana uMpilo. Maybe uMpilo visited Khumalo, because I don't think Umusa Mseleku bangazovuma ukuthi uMpilo would move out noMakhumalo. Understand? Even though I didn't prove the allegations, guys. So Khumalo has came out and said all the allegations. Khumalo uthi she has been uMakhumalo uThobile Khumalo on Instagram. Akakaze wafaka isibongo sakhe sakaMseleku on Instagram, and now akakwazi ukuchinja because Instagram yakhe is verified. So akakwazi ukuthi angenza any changes. Uyasaba futhi mayenza any changes because page yakhe has made progress on Instagram. Akakwazi ukuthi angavela chinja afaka uMseleku, then uyasaba yabo ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. Mhlambe that thing ingaphazamisa ama-viewers wakhe, I don't know, but yena uthi akakwazi ukuchinja because the page is verified. But on Facebook she is Thobile Khumalo, yena noMseleku they abahlukana, and they're still in a relationship, guys. And I even saw mina uMseleku upost uMakhumalo, and that thing bengimangaza ukuthi kanjani uMseleku waposta uMakhumalo. Khona la recently upost uMakhumalo and said mina nawe sathandana noma ngabe singandlula kuini manje. So I thought maybe bona banazo inkinga, but for divorce, guys, if there's one person I think ongeke azamlahle uMseleku, even though uMseleku yena athe umacele, to me I think it's uMakhumalo. Umakhumalo truly loves uMseleku, guys. Even aspendele uMseleku, you can see ukuthi umspendela ngoba amthanda, hayi ngoba uyabala or ngoba afuna ukuthandwa. No, just because uyayithanda le ndoda, uyayi-appreciate le ndoda. And uMakhumalo is one person to me, mina ukama across as if umuntu oshesha axole. That is why uMseleku athatha advantage ngoMakhumalo. Uyamazi ukuthi lo ngizombekela isitori sami, uzosibona nesithombe, then uzoxola. uMakhumalo, the only thing ayifuna kuMseleku ukuthi ba-communicate ngento bandlule, and it is understandable ukuthi why uMakhumalo manje akwatela indaba kanamba 5. If uyayibheka kahle, uMakhumalo akakwatelanga ukuthi uMseleku uthathe unkosikazi wesi-5, but ukwatela ukuthi uMseleku has promised her ukuthi angeke aze athathe ngakubo, which is understandable, guys. So uMseleku sayathatha ngakubo, uthatha umntana omncane, and it's not all about ukuthi uzothatha umuntu okwazi ukuzala, because we know that the reason ukuthi uMseleku athatha unumber 5 ukuthi uMseleku ufuna ingane eziwu-20 and una-10. So I don't think uMakhumalo uzokwatela ukuthi unumber 5 uzofika athole enye ingane, guys. It doesn't make sense kimi, but I think uMakhumalo ukwatela ukuthi uthathe ngakithi maceda awungitsheli. I understand, vele ibuhlungu ngoba yena uwazi ukuthi yena baMseleku bayi-team, uMseleku umtshele yonke into, but this one uMseleku azange amtshele, umtshele sokukudala. Why bangamtsheli ukuthi you know what, lo muntu engicabanga umthatha uhlala ngakini, since uMakhumalo ku-one person or yena nomacele who they understand ukuthi uMseleku uzomthatha unumber 5, and they don't have a problem no-number 5. So I felt as if uMusa Mseleku kube selfish uMakhumalo, but uMusa Mseleku akaqali kuba selfish uMakhumalo. That is one thing mhlawumbe uMakhumalo angangayiboni, or mhlawumbe ngoba this thing they are just doing it for views. Now I feel as if uthande nesemayi, some of the things they're doing it for views. Yingakho sibona abamangwabe bathi bayahamba, but on reality abahambi, they are just selling nje istory. uMakhumalo understand ukuthi wayangakwatela indaba ukuthi uMusa Mseleku doesn't want to do the process ukuthi athole ingane yoke yakhe ezothi yena, you understand, angaloku akhulisana nengane zaMseleku, because umntwana ungamkhulisa, guys, masamdala uya kumama yakhe umzele, you understand. And the sad part, umntana lo amkhulisayo akafani, yabo bokuzoba ngcono mhlambe ngabe bakhulisa umntana ofana noSinewe ungasana mama, lo nomama yakhe ophilayo, and akekho umuntu ozosusa indawo kamama emntwaneni, akekho, guys. That one we know. Ayikho nomntana okhule kahle uthi masamdala abangamazi mama athi ngiyafisa ukwazi umama ungizala, we understand. So ngabe uMusa Mseleku kuyenza le process, uMakhumalo naye athole umntana noma ngabe oyi-1, guys, noma ngabe oyi-1, and the gender ayinandaba ukuthi athole umntana naye kuzoba owakhe, azothi lo owami azi ukuthi lo okwami wakaKhumalo, angaloku futhi acelana nengane zabanye abantu, because kwayena uMakhwena nawo mhlambe bangamcela ukuthi hayi mangabe sowuthola abafana abayi-2, oyi-1 uzovusa umuzi kaMakhumalo, uzowala. when times goes sabe sekajwayela ngithi sekashadile naye seka-comfortable kaMseleko angeke azavume, understand, but it's better to pay that money kube yi-process. And makhumana I think financially she's okay, angayibhadala the process. Into efunekayo nje inzalo kaMseleko kuphela, guys. But bazalwane bami zitho, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.